Hello everyone, my name is Yash Mukashi and today I am going to talk about the cellular manufacturing. First, introduction to the cellular manufacturing. In today's business world, competition defines in industry leader the derive towards the maximum efficiency in constantly at the forefront of such companies' objectives. Managers across the countries are striving to the adopt in lean manufacturing practice to help address the worries about their bottom line. Cellular manufacturing is one staple of each manufacturing. Cellular manufacturing is an approach that helps build in variety of production with as little waste as possible. A cell is a group of workstation, machines, tools, or equipment arranged to create the smooth flow so families of parts can be processed progressively from a workstation on another without waiting for the batch to the complete or requiring additional handling between the operations. Put simply, cellular manufacturing groups together machinery and a small team of staff directly by the team leader so all the work on a production part can be accomplished in the same eliminating resource that do not add value to the product. Next, definition of group technology. Group technology an approach to the organization manufacture which can be applied in industry such as machining, welding, foundry, press work, forging, and plastic molding, etc. With small batch varieties production is used. The basic approach of enables all aspects of manufacturing from design through estimating and planning to production to be rationalized. It forms the basis in the development of the computer-aided procedure and flexible automation. The benefits of groups. Reduction in through the put time as all operations on a part are done inside the group. Decrease in work in process inventory. Empowerment in quality levels. Completion of work as per due to the schedule. Reduced setup time, hence increase in product capacity. Then stages of group technology manufacturing. First is in parts of each of the item processed and examined and placed in a logical class or families, and the operation sequence for the each class of parts is determined as specified. Second is group of activities suitable for the processing of these classes of part are specified using the operations planning detail and forecaster demand for the item and hence to components. Third is the sequence of each class of part for each group or facilities. Then problems in implementing GT. First is identifying the part families. Reviving all the parts made in the plant and the grouping them into the part families is a suitable task. And second is rearranging the production machining into GT cell. It is the time consuming and costly to the physically rearranging the machining into cells, and the machines are not proceeding during the changeover. Then when to use GT and cellular manufacturing. The plant currently uses traditional batches production and a process type layout. This results in much material handling effort, high in process inventory, and long manufacturing lead time. The part can be grouped into the families, a necessary condition to apply group technology. Each machine cells is designed to produce a given part family or a limited collection of part families. So it is must be possible to group a part made in the plant of families. Then dimensions of cell. There are total four dimensions of cell. First one is man. Operations across the train are support to as well as manufacturing equipment. Leaders and facilities encourage teamwork in professional for fair manner. They also post in metrics of skill requirement matches with cell operation capabilities and schedules. In addition to standard work introduction are prominently displayed. Second is material. Material management practices reduces work in the process buffers. Materials flow in the cells streamlined to the minimize travel distance, and team member take full responsibility of quality of parts. Third one is machine. The layout of cell arranged in equipment to the immediately adjustment, permitting smooth material flow with the minimum buffers utilization effectively support the equipment with the emphasis of converging resources. And last one is method. Procedure associated with the cell help eliminate waste, the most apparent waste of defective parts. So equality produces defects and potential error. Cell operators participate in production design improvement as well as process improvement. Equipment operators perform routine maintenance as well as the housekeeping for their respective areas. Time is not wasted on the excessive reports. Then benefits of cellular manufacturing. Cell shorten is the distance a part produced has to move. This reduces the material handling cost, allow quicker feedback on the potential quality problem, reduces work in the process inventors, permits easier scheduling and reduced throughput time. Cell organize the location of material at the point of use. This make easy to see the work ahead. Next is cell team better understanding to the whole process making parts and assemblies. And next one, the cellular member feel the responsibility to small group rather than to the impartial company. Understandable logical participation lead to the feeling as empowerment. And last one is limitations of group technology of cellular manufacturing. First one is high cost. The cost of implementation is generally high. This is because on the outside constant of often requirement since the house expansion on GT is rarely available. It requires a long setup time and painful debugging. Not suitable for the larger variety of production. May not be suitable for the factory with a very large variety of production. Next one is the entire production of the company cannot be put under the GT and hence GT will not exist in the conventional layout. Next one is not suitable for all applications. There are too many GT codes in use to there is no one GT code that suits in all applications. Next one is it is all often difficult to convince all the operations for the group components being taken care in the all cell created for it. Next one is the range of production is mixed in the plant may be under constant change in the which can the GT cell may need constant version which is impartial. Thank you so much.